Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com. What I got here is the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. Now, 3 of the South Korean networks have fired up their 5G network today, and here we go with the phone that can work on the networks. The first interesting part is that the phone came with the white box. The reason why I say this is because I got the rest of the S10 with the same black color, and they came with the black packaging. Anyway, let's open it up, and you're gonna find the phone in black. In majestic black to be precise, and rest of the things in white, except for the headphones. They already had a gorgeous black packaging with the S10, so why go back white? I don't know. There is a pair of AKG headphones, a USB cable, and the charger. That looks bigger. That's because the charger is finally 25 watts output supported. And to do that, they switched to the USB-C, and thus the cable included here is also USB-C to USB-C. So you see the 2 USB-C ports at both of the ends. Underneath that is a USB Type-A to C adapter, and on the other side of the packaging is the SIM card tray removal pin, quick start guide, data transfer guide, and the smart switch guide, along with a free plastic case. I'm pretty sure that this is not included in all the regions. Samsung tends to skip this for North America, so if you didn't get one, I honestly don't know who to blame. Anyway, here's the phone. This is a pretty big one. The S10 Plus was already big enough at 6.4 inches. Now this is 6.7 inches, but don't get scared too much because it's measured diagonally, so 6.7 inches isn't as insane as it sounds. This Infinity O display has fingerprint reader on the screen, so you can just put your finger on it and it's gonna get unlocked just like the other S10 series. What's different than the rest of the series is that the little hole here is bigger. That's because it's got 3D TOF sensor built in, and it also has the 3D depth sensor on the back as well. That makes the S10 5G a quadruple camera enabled phone. Now to do so, they made some sacrifices. You do get 256 and 512 gigabytes of rather spacious storage, but what you don't get is the dual SIM model and the microSD card expansion slot. And also the heart rate sensor on the back is now gone, so you can't measure your heart rate with your phone, which is present on the S10 and S10 Plus. S10e also misses this. But in return, you do get beefier battery, 4100 milliamps on the S10 Plus and 4500 milliamps on the S10 5G. The rest of the specs are identical. You have Exynos 9820 or Snapdragon 855 depending on the region. There's Samsung One UI based on Android Pie. There's a wireless power share feature, so you can top up any Qi supported device with your phone used as a charging mat. Dolby Atmos stereo speaker, HDR10 Plus, and Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and back. Now talking about the Gorilla Glass, you can see that the finish is a little bit different. The rest of the S10 series has the back cover in the middle, so it's symmetrical with the front and back, but with the S10 5G, the back cover almost covers all the way up to the front part. It does give you a better grip, but aesthetics wise, I prefer the S10 Plus, it's better. Now, one of the few other perks are in the camera. With the camera, it's quadruple, so you not only get 3 different angles, but also the live focus video. So this applies live focus effect on the video in real time, along with the front facing camera live focus video. And there's a quick measure app, so you can use your phone to quickly measure the specific object size. Of course, the biggest feature would be the 5G network itself, but unfortunately we don't have the 5G SIM card just yet. As soon as we get there, we'll make sure to demonstrate you with all the speeds and whatnot. For now, you'll just have to look at the device itself. Now, the majestic black is one of my favorite colors. It's quite different than the prism black on the Galaxy S10 Plus. It's closer to the S10e's prism black, but then it does feel more expensive. All right, so that was a very quick look on the Galaxy S10 5G, Samsung's first 5G smartphone. In South Korea, 256 gigabytes model retails around 1,200 bucks, and double that storage costs about 1,400-ish, tax included. If you live in the States, there's a rumor that Verizon is gonna carry this as soon as May 14th-ish, so I guess you're gonna have to wait just a little bit longer to get your hands on the Galaxy S10 5G. All right, that's it, folks. If you have any questions, please do leave them down in the comment section below. We'll see you guys later. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Ciao.